Hey guys, today we are going to talk about the craziness that's going on with cryptocurrencies. Last 2 months, I would say, but it's been happening for a long, long time before. But right now, you can see what craziness I'm talking about in this coinmarketcap.com. If you go there and look for all these top 20 cryptocurrencies, right? There are like 2,000 or 3,000 cryptocurrencies out there. There were so many new ICOs that almost every day, right? And uh, and there are so many different technologies coming up, and every company is releasing different cryptocurrencies for different purposes. For example, like a Ripple XRP is for the banking, mainly for banking, transaction related cryptocurrency, right? And there's a Bitcoin everybody knows about. That's a top one. And then these, like, if you go there, you will see that ranking. Bitcoin is market cap is 218 billion. You can see, and then last 24 hours, $22 billion got transaction. Like, people actually moved around $22 billion in last $1 billion almost every hour approximately,
So
right?
that means people have used Bitcoin to for transactions like purchase, buying and
Transaction or buying Bitcoin itself. Some of the companies came back last week. At least two companies, they bought 250,000 Bitcoin, I think. They're like companies buying the Bitcoins. They're just
okay.
using their reserve to buy Bitcoins.
Okay, so that also includes in there.
Yeah, you can actually see here. This site gives you lots of information. I think Binance bought this. Binance is a company. They bought this coin market cap, but it still gives you right information. There's another site called Gecko. That's another one that you can look at it. Similar kind. It shows all the cryptocurrencies, and then what is the circulating supply last 24 hours, how much is up and down, and what's the current price, what's the market cap, and everything, right? So this video is mainly for the craziness that's going on. Let me open this chain link, right? So take a look at this. Take a
Oh,
look at
wow.
like like last if you put, like, let's say $10,000. When is this? $10,000 in this is $4 now. Like, it's $4, right? Like 1 month ago,
Mhm.
if you put $10,000, it would have made like $40,000. You would have made like
So
$40,000 now.
what is this? Is this about Bitcoin or overall?
No,
Like,
this is another cryptocurrency. There, like I said, there are 2,000, 3,000 cryptocurrencies
yeah,
out
yeah,
there.
yeah.
This is a chain link. What happened was recently the DeFi, like, I'm still learning this,
Mm,
but decentralized financing is a it's a
okay.
hot it's a hot area right now.
Hmm.
It's been there for the last few years, but I think this is getting more attention recently. They call DeFi, decentralized financing. That means it's not centralized location like a banking, right? Banking is in one place. Everything comes there, and this is all like spread out by the different like, there is a token, there is, like, it needs to be verified. Like, somebody had a transaction, somebody tried to buy this, or sell this, a transaction, doing using this as a coin to transact to buy something else. It's being verified by multiple, like, think about like a pieces of information is being verified by multiple different places. It's
Okay.
decentralized. So that's just a simple way of saying that. But there's tons of behind the scene process going on. But what I'm trying to say in this
The-
video is like
yeah.
some of them are like 400%, 500% increase in the last 2 months.
So on this chart, you have they compare Bitcoin, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Tether,
Ethereum,
like
yeah, is it? Right, right.
five different cryptos, right? And their fluctuation.
Right. Those are the top ones. Like, it actually takes like, if you try to do that, like, let's go back here, right? It goes from the top to bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you see, this is the fifth, that
Oh,
By
that is
the market cap, Chainlink is the fifth rank, right?
okay.
Because it has
Right.
like a 6 billion market
Market
cap,
cap. Right.
right? Same way, like others, but I have invested. How did I come to know this? I have invested small amount of money on Chainlink,
Mm-hmm.
Tether, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. Not the Cardano, EOS, and Tezos, Stellar. Um,
So
yeah,
you have invested on those?
yeah. I have invested on those, and it almost doubled. It's like 90% up in last, mainly in the last 2 months. And why it's like, a lot of people saying that it's because it's like a liquid gold, right? It's like
Mhm.
a virtual gold. The gold prices are up. Gold prices are the top, it's a high, historically high right now, right?
Yeah.
Everybody, even the Warren Buffett investing on gold, he's buying a lot of gold. And because they're predicting that gold price is going to be very, very high soon, even more high. Same way with, I think it's going after gold prices. Very similar, the pattern, if you look at the cryptocurrencies and virtual, that's considered as a virtual gold, and then the real gold. Those are coming, neck to neck. Like they're going up, and this is also going up recently. That is the thing. And so you should
I
like,
was actually going to ask you like a question, but I don't know if the
yeah,
time
go ahead, go ahead.
permits. I was going to ask you like, why is it like that? Why is it all time high? And why cryptocurrencies going after gold, like kind of go cryptocurrency values go hand in hand or parallel to like gold values? Like, why is it happening? Is it, I mean, can you explain that or?
Right, it's like the gold. There's only limited quantities, right? So think about anything that's limited quantities, like money, like a fiat money. Fiat money, we are talking about the U.S. dollars is a fiat money. That you can print. Like we are
Right,
printing. We printed like three
right, right,
trillion
right.
dollar
Yeah,
last. I don't know, $2 or $3 trillion last
yeah,
6 7 months, right?
yeah,
You can print as much as you want,
right.
as long as you have, like, it takes 12 cents to print a $100 bill. And if you have 12 cents, you print more. Right? You can print more. But think about gold.
Yeah,
Like, earth as a core, they dig the gold out. How much, like, even if you totally destroy the whole earth, there is only like limited quantity of gold.
limited
You
quantity.
cannot you cannot produce it artificially, the
The
gold.
same with crypto. There's only limited
Yeah, there is only like
number of
20 million bitcoins. There is only 20 million bitcoins. What happens, like, I think they are predicting with the computing power that we have, it takes computing power to mine one crypto,
mine.
right?
Yeah.
Lots of computing power. So by 10 years, I think 10 or 10 to 15, 20 years, we would have mined everything, 20 million bitcoins that's already there. That's it.
Mhm.
And no more Bitcoin. It will be circulating after that.
Yeah.
That's why they're predicting like 100,000, 200,000, the crazy prediction going on.
Yeah. Okay.
Each
Right.
Bitcoin, right? But they're predicting at the end of this year, 2020, it'll be $20,000, like just like 2017. This Bitcoin right now is it was actually last. If you look at if I open this one, right? Look at that. It was like $3,500 in last
2019.
early last year.
Yeah.
And but it was almost 20,000 in 2017. Everybody knows that,
Right.
right?
Right. Right.
And it went from $1,000, like thousand something, 2017, the beginning of 20,000. Like if you put $1,000, $10,000 in the beginning of 2017, and by the end of the 2017, that $10,000 would have become $200,000, more than $200,000,
Right. Right. Right.
because it's like 20 times yield, right? And then same thing happening. It went down, 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 and when the economy is doing really good, it actually goes down for some reason. And when the economy is not really doing good, like right now, like it's kind of a doubtful recession, and most people trying to accumulate this wealth. Like think about when more people are trying to buy like everybody home right now, right? Everybody thinking, oh, let me put $100, I'm going to make $1,000 in 1 month.
Hmm.
And I have some cash left. Everybody got cash, but they're not spending it right now.
Yeah.
And they're just putting it in this one, and it's still a gambling, but it's Bitcoin is more safe than compared to other altcoin, like other coins, other cryptocurrencies are called altcoins, alternate coins. So Bitcoin is a little better than altcoins, safer,
Yeah.
I would say. And so, but it went up all the way to, you can see, I think it's like 15,000 here, right? Somewhere here, and then it down and up, but they're predicting it's going to go up to 20,000 soon. Like as soon as it reached that 12,000, if it crashes that limit 12,000 and more, it's going to go up suddenly, right away, just like this from here, right? Once it reaches that threshold, then it just goes up. But getting that threshold and staying there for some time, and then that is what needed right now. I think that's what's going to happen. Um, so I would say, like, if you have few $100, you can you are willing to lose, or you are willing to bet on this, right? You might either make it 10, 20, 30, 40 times. That's like, 4,000 percentage, right?
Hmm.
You can do that, increase and then sell off. Um, once it's very high, what I normally do is just let's say I put $5,000 in there. I bought like 10 different coins, right? That's like $500 each, something like that. And then it become like $15,000. I just sell $5,000. I get the money back, right?
Yeah.
So I have $10,000 left there, and whatever happens to it, I don't care, because I was just playing something, and I put some money in there. I got the money back,
Because you anyway got your money back, right?
right?
So
That's what I do,
yeah.
and I'm gonna do that. And once I get the money back, and I'm gonna leave it there
Yeah.
forever, maybe, and see what happens. It could go 100 times, 1,000 times. People have done that. People put only like $1,000 in Bitcoin, and they got more than $1 million in that couple of years. They have done that, and this is the easier way to, like, either go high, you know just lose everything.
Yeah. That's right.
Right.
Good.
So yeah, just take a look at these guys. You can actually focus on Chainlink. That is going to be really going up. It's already up right now. Like, if I open this one, you can kind of see it. I think you can see yourself. Like, it's recently up. It went up $7 to almost like $20 now. And let me do just 1 month. Like, you can actually do this 1 month. Uh, 1 month, like, how much was it? Uh, yeah, is it $8 something? Yeah. So in 1 month, if you put, like, you would have doubled, more than doubled your
Hmm.
money.
This is Chainlink. All right.
Yeah, yeah. So that's a thing, and actually not that one. Sorry. Yeah, it's. I think it's just showing. I need to know how to read this chart, but it's basically, you can see on this on the side, exactly, that's a Bitcoin.
So very quick question. So
Mhm.
Chainlink, you said Chainlink itself is a crypto, right? But
Yeah, all of them
I
are
don't see
crypto.
that on the. So I think that they're comparing five other things though. On the side we have Bitcoin Cash. Um,
Yeah, actually, this is the 2 billion market cap, right? $8. No, they're just comparing, like, comparing, like, you need this much Bitcoin to get one chain link. Like, I think that you see that 0.000922229 Bitcoin is corresponds to one chain link, but right now it might be less.
yeah,
Like, yeah, it's in a different scale, but it's like, you don't need to be a rocket scientist to understand this, but it's like flat here and it went up,
yeah,
and it's in the same, like, you can look at the dollar amount here, right? It's around like
right.
$8-9. in 1 month. I'm talking about in half of the month. After that half month, it went up, doubled. It's going up, and if you do 3 months, that's what I would do. Like, is it volatile or not? Like, look at it. It's always going up. It's linear,
Mm.
right? It's 1 year. It's always going up,
Right.
and all time. Let's see, all time, right? All
No,
time.
totally.
Yeah, it's like it came down a little bit and then up and down, but this time, look at
Now
that.
it's going up.
Yeah, this was like a 50 cents in 2018. 50 cents one coin. Like you just have to go backwards and see how this how this things looks historically,
Mm.
right? 50 cents, 53 cents, 30 cents in end of 2017, like 30 cents to $20, right? It's like
Yeah. That's a percentage wise, that's a lot.
6,000%. Yeah,
Yeah.
6,000%,
So
60
that means
times
it
more.
has the potential to grow. That is good, right?
Right. Let's say you put $10,000 in here, right?
Mm-hmm.
60 times 60, $600,000 you would have had
Wow.
just on this only one. In 2017, you put 2018, January 2018, you put it. 2.5 years, you
Yeah.
would have had 60 times more. If you put $20,000 and 60, it's like $1.2 million.
So if you're and if let's say someone invested a very low dollar amount 2018 and they made $600,000, right? What
Hmm.
you can do is, if you don't want to be in, because it can be volatile, right? It
Yeah,
may be 600,000 today and it might be zero tomorrow. It will
yeah,
not happen, but there's always a possibility.
right.
So you can
Sell off
probably,
everything. Yeah, sell everything.
yeah, sell. Exactly, that's what I was gonna ask. Like, if you
Yeah.
don't want to be in that risk category anymore, just sell it and take your money and go away, right?
Yeah, you just sell everything and buy a Bitcoin from
Yeah,
Chainlink. If you're really, not into Chainlink, right? But it might likely go up. But this is the time, like you have to go back and think, right? What are the other coins that are like 30
right.
cents, 20 cents, right? Like a tether is like $1. Like, do you want
Mm.
to invest on that? Like XRP is like 30 cents, right? It could go up to $20. That's the same amount in 2 or 3 years. So put like thousand, maybe just put only $1,000 on that, or five hundred
Right.
dollar. It could be like only if, let's say, if you only put $500, 60 times is still you get $30,000 on that.
Yeah, that's good.
So it's still good.
Wow.
So yeah, that's what
Yeah.
the craziness that's going on last 2 months, and it's going to be continuing until our market is unstable. Like sometimes they say it's going good, it's doing good. Sometimes they say no, it's not good. Some news says differently, right? That's why the crypto, everybody trying alternate investments, and when more people try to put money and the price goes up, that is one reason right now it's going up, and companies are buying it. Like all these companies have cash, they're just buying these bitcoins. Sometimes when the bitcoin is going up, other coins, the related coins, will also go up. That's another reason. So, and some of them are depend on ethereum. They're expecting like $10,000 eventually. Right now it's, when I bought it was like $200. Now it's
Okay.
doubled. Last, so
Right. Right.
so look at the Ethereum too. It's almost double. Like 1 month. I'm just going to put 1 month. 1 month like used to be less than 200, right? Now it's so you can see
Wow. Yeah.
most of the things you can double in 1 month. It takes normally like 5 years to double your money in other places.
Right.
So 1 month and take your money and then just forget it.
Rugged. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Good. That's
So
for all
yeah, I
those.
guess you guys got some picture out of this, some ideas out of this, and don't put all your money in here. And I would only do 10% of maximum 10% of your total investment on the cryptocurrencies.
Cryptocurrency.
That's
Yeah.
what I have. I think I only have like 5%, less than 5%, maybe 2% right now. But I can go up to 10%. So I'm gonna do that up to 10% and then stop because like even if you lose your investment, 10% of your investment, you still have 90% left on the other places, like real estate or stock or mutual fund, index funds, ETFs, and 401k and all the others combined. Your savings, high interest savings.
Yeah.
If you put all the 90% there and on less than 10% on the cryptocurrencies, you still can make it very big. Like if the 10% become equal to 90% of your investment, that is possible with cryptocurrencies.
Yeah. Good. Very
Right.
good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for that detailed review on cryptocurrency, Venkat. Like you said, it's hot market right now. And if you're looking for investment opportunities, that may be good, but if you invest smart.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Try this, guys, and we will have a link down below for Coinbase platform, right? So you'll be able to invest there, and you get $10 Bitcoin in there. So you never know, $10 becomes $1,000 one day.
Yeah.
Right.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.